I hope my voice is clear, and this is something I've been working since yesterday and I wanted to show everyone. It is a basic Souls-like system with you know HP bars, stamina bars, and rules, and I've learned a lot about making melee combats and UIs. So for starters, you have your basic movement, and you have a sprint that costs stamina, and if you stop and wait for a while, the stamina will start regenerating. And you have your rolls, so it costs stamina as well. And I've set it so that different actions have a different cooldown. So if I roll, I have a regeneration cooldown of 1.5 seconds, and if I sprint, it's actually it's the same at 1.5 seconds, but it's different from my attack, which is at 2 seconds. And so this is not all. I also have an working enemy that if I enter its zone, it starts chasing me, and I can lock onto him, and you can see it has a separate HP bar. And uh, so as you can see that my player has stopped moving omnidirectional and it has started strafing around the enemy. And if I now hold the sprint down, it will release the camera and start moving, but it will snap back to its locked target. The same thing happens with the roll, but it's a bit clunky with the camera right now. And I've also set up a basic hit detection system using my animations, and as you can see, if I hit the enemy, it does damage, and it can also damage me if I fall within his hitbox. And if I'm outside his hitbox, I don't see, I don't receive damage if I'm outside his hitbox. The same thing happens with my hitbox. The way I've set it up is I have a hitbox that's I should call it hardbox, that's on my sword, and if it collides with the hitbox of the enemy, then I deal damage. And the same thing goes for the enemy. As you can see, I have a hardbox that's attached to his sword. And so what I did was I have these animations. Actually, I got these characters and animations from Mixamo. I have, let's say, a basic swiping attack. I think it's here. Yeah, no, not this one. I have. Okay, sorry, this is my character. Okay, so let me show you. This is my basic striking attack that I do with the player, and I have this event where when I'm winding up my sword, I enable the hitbox, and after I'm done slashing, I disable the hitbox again. The same thing goes for the enemy. Where is it? Yeah, here it is. So I have enable hitbox that starts as soon as the windup ends, and it disables the hitbox as the attack ends. Yeah, this was a lot of fun to mess around with, and I guess you have a basic Souls combat here that I can improve. I'm especially proud of what I did with the lock on. Oh, and one last thing is similar to Souls, that if you press shift, you roll, but if you hold it for, let's say, longer than 0.2 seconds, you start sprinting. This took a lot of unnecessary effort, but it felt nice regardless. Yeah, this is it.